All right, let's talk about something that can permanently ruin your laser hobby in about a millisecond, your eyes. I keep seeing this question over and over again. Hey, I got green laser glasses with my diode laser. Does the color matter? Well, the short answer is no. The long answer, absolutely not. And that misunderstanding is dangerous, especially when people are saying only orange glasses are rated for diode lasers. This is a myth. The color of your laser safety glasses means absolutely nothing. Green lenses, red lenses, orange lenses. What we're talking about here is tints, not protection. They don't tell you what wavelength is being blocked. They don't tell you how much energy is being stopped. They don't tell you if the glasses are actually doing their job. I also hear, but I got my safety glasses with my laser from the manufacturer, so they must be good to use. No, laser manufacturers of diode lasers are not going to spend $20 or more on safety glasses. In fact, they're likely buying them in bulk from Alibaba for about 50 cents, no matter what fancy retail packaging or box they come in. You can pretty much discard those with the packaging. Now, let's talk about what really does matter. Most diode lasers run right at about 450 nanometers. That's blue light, it's high energy, retina destroying light. If your glasses are not specifically rated to block around 450 nanometers, they're basically fancy sunglasses. And sunglasses do absolutely nothing for laser exposure. And this is where people get fooled, and this is where I stop guessing. That's why I recommend buying laser safety glasses from Free Mascot. They sell on Amazon. Not because of the color, not because of the price, but because they clearly show real certifications. Free Mascot glasses list what most cheap glasses conveniently leave out on the lenses. They show the wavelength range, they show the optical density, and they show the recognized safety standards like ANSI Z87 or EN207, and that matters because if your glasses don't list those things, you're trusting your eyesight to marketing hype, and your eyes won't heal from exposure. Now, let me show you how to tell if your glasses are actually legit or not. And this part is critical. So, when you look at the label on proper safety glasses, you should see three things. First is going to be the wavelength range. Now, we're talking about diode lasers today. So, for diode lasers, you want to see something that includes the 450 nanometers. Examples are 190 to 540, 400 to 500, 450 nanometer plus or minus 10. If your glasses list any other number, they're not for a diode laser. If there is no wavelength listed at all, then throw them away now. Second, optical density. Look for OD4 plus or higher at 450. OD3 is the minimal acceptable range, but OD4 is the recommended standard for all lasers. OD5 plus and higher is even better. It's professional protection. OD means how much light is being reduced. OD4 blocks 99.99% of the wavelength. Anything lower than OD3, which is the bare minimum, is not acceptable for laser engraving. Third is safety standards. You should see markings like ANSI Z87 or EN207 or CE. Now, CE is a conformity marking. It's not a safety standard. It means the manufacturer claims the product meets European Union health and safety directives. It does not mean the product was tested for laser exposure. However, Free Mascot not only has the CE certification, but also the EN 207 in all of their listings. All of their products are certified and tested. You can even see firsthand the testing in a video on the advertisement page. All of these three things together tells you the glasses were tested and are safe to use, not guessed and not assumed. Free Mascot clearly prints all of this right on the glasses or in their documentation or both. That's the difference between safety gear and costume gear. So back to the I guess you call it the big picture. A lot of cheap laser glasses online look identical. Same color, same shape, same marketing photos. Everything looks the same. But they never tell you what they actually block. Free Mascot does, and that's important. And here's the part nobody talks about. If something goes wrong, certifications matter. Insurance matters. Liability matters. So for content creators, small shops, home businesses, hobbyists, certified eyewear protects you, not just your eyewear. So in closing, remember this. Lens color doesn't protect your eyes and is meaningless in most cases. Specifications do. If your laser glasses don't clearly list wavelength, optical density, and safety standards, replace them. The purpose of this channel is laser education and keeping people accurately informed. That includes safety, not just machine and software demonstrations. This video focused specifically on laser safety glasses for diode lasers. CO2, fiber, and UV lasers all have different wavelengths. I'll list them here. But if you're not sure, you should always consult your owner's manual or the manufacturer to confirm the exact wavelength range your machine operates in before buying any protective eyewear. The goal here is clarity, so you can make informed decisions that protect your equipment, your work, and your eyesight. Your vision is worth more than a cheap accessory. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And as always, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.